Monday mga kamaslitis. Today is a special day dahil ito, maaga akong maglalako ng imbutido. Pero at the same time, mamamahagi po ako dahil birthday po ng aking kaibigan na si Rosel Pua at bumili siya ng imbutido para daw i-share ang kanyang blessings at mag-treat sa mga kababayan. So eto na guys, tara na! One beat, that's the sound of unity. This is dance of victory. Tay! May ibibigay ako sa'yo, Tay. Yan. Bigay po yan ng kaibigan ko kasi birthday niya.
Salamat pagpalaker pang Diyos. Happy birthday, Rosel! Happy birthday!
Thank you, Tay.
Showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no
Happy birthday, Rosel! Thank you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rosel! And yes, I love you.
Nagkara, I love you.
Salamat sa imbutido.
Happy birthday, Rosel!
Happy birthday, Rosel! Maraming salamat!
Happy birthday, Rosel!
Happy birthday, Rosel! Kasi sa imbutido ang binigay mo. Salamat! Birthday, Rosel!
Ano sabi mo, Nay?
Sabi ko, mag-ulan kami mamaya.
Yo, may ulam na po kayo. Tama yan lang. Sarap yun, Nay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Parang napanood kita. Ikaw si Mads.
Yeah,
Nang
oo.
magpakailanman.
Ay, taray. Pero mo buhay ko.
Oo.
O, ayan. Nakita mo na ako sa personal.
Ang pogi ng mga leading man.
O, diba? Salamat eh.